Blaze AI review. Is this the best AI writing tool? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here with Blaze AI. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you'll get special discounts right here if you're going to subscribe to Blaze AI. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So it says right here in Trustpilot that Blaze AI has a 4.6 out of 5 star rating, which is pretty good. So here's what the reviewers have to say. So first is we have one right here from Cleo. So just what I needed. The comprehensive live video that showed us how to use Blaze AI is what caught my attention and motivated me to join up. Blaze AI has made content creation and sending emails so much easier. I have more time to actually network and talk to my clients about the products I offer. They all seem to love the content I created on Blaze, and this is a great investment and a time saver. Next is we have one from Ryan right here. So great content at a reasonable price. The software was easy to use with a robust onboarding system. The content generated is eye-catching and saves my team a lot of time. It does a very good job of capturing our brand and is easy to edit if you want changes. I would highly recommend Blaze AI for a cost-effective marketing tool. And then lastly, we have one from Aloma right here. So I've been looking for a software platform that could do it all or most of it when it comes to content creation and scheduling. My virtual assistant has started using this and it's great. Creating brand kits for my various businesses and getting them scheduled quickly is easy. So yeah, so these are pretty much the reviews right here from Blaze AI, and it really has a good star rating right here from Trustpilot. Moving on is we have the pricing right here with Blaze AI. So again, if you want to have special discounts right here from Blaze AI, you can definitely use the link in the description below to get these special discounts. So in Blaze AI, it has 4 plans right here, or 5 plans I mean. So Blaze AI has 5 plans. So it has the creator plan, the pro plan, the team plan, the agency plan, and the enterprise plan. So first is we have the creator plan. So this one is for people just starting their marketing journey. So this will cost you around $34 a month. And then this plan includes 1 user, 1 brand kit, 1 account per integration, 30 scheduled posts, 100,000 AI words, 3 plagiarism scans, 5 source materials, unlimited AI image generations, SEO analysis tools, multi-channel campaign, account analytics, and invite guests to files. Moving on, so you have the pro plan right here. So this one's for people expanding their marketing efforts. So this one will cost you around $49 a month. So in here, to get the same value you'd need, you'll also get 3 apps right here, like a Canva Team, which is $30, ChatGPT Plus, which is $20, and Hootsuite Professional, which is $99. And then this plan includes 1 user, 3 brand kits, 3 accounts per integration, 150 scheduled posts, 300,000 AI words, 15 plagiarism scans, 15 source materials, generated multiple posts at once, premium AI for blog posts, pro support, and priority AI processing. Next is we have team plan right here. So this one's their most popular plan. So this one is for small teams growing their content production and workflow. So this one will cost you around $79 a month. So to get the same value, you'd also need these 3 applications right here: Canva Team, ChatGPT Team for 3, and Hootsuite Advanced. And then this plan includes 3 users, 6 brand kits, 6 accounts per integration, unlimited scheduled posts, unlimited AI words, 50 plagiarism scans, 50 source materials, content approval tools, team collaboration tools, priority support, and priority AI processing. And then next we have the agency plan right here. So this one's for teams and agencies managing multiple brands. So this one will cost you around $200 a month. So yes, so to get the same value, you'd need these applications as well. So you need a Canva Team, which is $50, ChatGPT Plus, which is $150, and Hootsuite Professional, which is $250. So this plan includes 5 users, and you can add up to 10 users, 12 brand kits, 12 accounts per integration, 100 plagiarism scans, and unlimited source materials. You'll also get dedicated onboarding and workspace setup, multi-workspace volume discounts, and available add-ons. So if you want to add an additional user, it will cost you around $20 per user. And if you want to add additional brand kits and social accounts, that will cost you $10 each. And then lastly, so we have the enterprise plan right here. So this one's designed for organizations with ambitious growth targets. So you can scale securely with enterprise-grade protection, team-specific training, and the business-friendly payment options to tailored to your organization's needs. So this one you'll get this one you'll get around $399 a month. So yeah. So these are the plans right here in Blaze AI. So again, if you want to get special discounts, just make sure to click on the link in the description below to avail for special discounts. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the Blaze AI review, and if it's the best AI writing tool. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.